your storm spotter at your news live. As you saw, one of those little bricks over there is a little loose. So yeah, that's why I tripped a little bit. Anyways, it's a leaf. It is currently 38 degrees outside, high of 66 and a low of 35. It's cloudy right now, but it's gonna clear up later in the day, and it's gonna rain pretty much early in the morning tomorrow, like really early in the morning, and a little late in the night. So basically, yeah, they're basically the same thing. Late in the night as in like it's dark out. So yeah, early in the morning. But here's some news for the day. There's some big storms coming next week. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But over the next week, starting Saturday to be starting Saturday, the storms, the severe weather, is going to start in Texas, and then by Sunday it's going to have expanded to Oklahoma and everything below it, and then Monday through Tuesday it's going to go up to Illinois and all the states below that. So we're going to have some big weather, and I'll keep you posted. And always stay weather aware, but you have to remember, weather never sleeps. Alright, I gotta go. It's chilly out here.